MMT coin, Momentum, is suddenly turning heads in the crypto market, and for good reason. After trading quietly for a long time, the token has exploded with energy, now sitting around 40 cents and delivering a massive 54% pump in the last 24 hours. And whenever a mid-cap or small-cap coin moves this aggressively, the entire market starts asking the same question. What's driving this breakout, and can Momentum actually sustain it? Right now, MMT's price action looks like a classic ignition phase. The volume has jumped, the candles are showing strong green bodies, and buyers are clearly stepping in with confidence. This doesn't happen out of nowhere. It usually indicates a catalyst, renewed community interest, or some type of upcoming update or integration that traders are quietly positioning for. In crypto, big moves often come before news goes mainstream, and Momentum seems to be following that same pattern. Even more interesting is how MMT is performing while the overall market has been shaky. Most altcoins are bleeding, Bitcoin dominance is fluctuating, and retail sentiment is uncertain. But MMT completely ignored the Red Sea around it and exploded upward, which suggests a strong internal driver rather than a market-wide trend. Whenever a coin pumps while the market is falling, smart traders pay attention, because it often signals accumulation by larger players or a shift in the token's narrative. Momentum also benefits from its structure. A lower market cap means it can move sharply with relatively modest volume. And when traders see a coin rocket 50% in one day, FOMO typically accelerates the trend. That's exactly what we are watching play out. Breakers turning into trend continuation, buyers stepping in on dips, and social chatter increasing rapidly. These ingredients often form the early stages of a parabolic rally. But at the same time, anyone who has survived multiple crypto cycles knows that vertical moves can correct just as fast. A 54% daily pump is exciting, but it also invites profit-taking. Some traders who enter days or weeks earlier may choose to lock in gains, pushing price into temporary pullbacks. That's normal and even healthy. If Momentum can establish higher lows during corrections, it strengthens the trend instead of breaking it. The real question is what happens next. If the volume stays high, if the buying pressure remains consistent, and if Momentum continues grabbing attention on social media and exchanges, then the rally could easily extend. Coins that break out with strong conviction often attempt another leg up, especially if new investors join in. But if the volume cools down or a larger wave of profit-taking hits, MMT could return to its earlier support levels before attempting another move.